We all know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We all deal with them in our daily life. Similarly, we use them in all programming languages, and Python is no different from other languages. It has two numbers data type, one integers and two floating point numbers, or in short float. Integers are whole numbers without any decimals such as 2, 4, 50, 20, etc. Float is real number that uses a decimal point to allow numbers with fractional values such as 2.30, 19.25, 65.12, etc. Integers and floats are two different data types. Therefore, there are different operators and functions applied to each of them. As we have seen in the previous lecture, the sum function does not work to find a total of two strings. We will discuss the operator and function in details in later lectures. You can check the type of the object using built-in function type, like this. Write type and in parentheses write the number, in this case number 9, and hit run. You will get int. Now try 9.5 in the type function, and that is a float. It does not matter if they are negative numbers, -9 or -9.4. They are still integer and float. Sometimes you might need to convert one number type to another, converting float number into an integer number. And you can do that like this. Int in parentheses 97.7. The part of the number after decimal point is cut off, which means no rounding occurs. 97.7 cut to 97. Similarly, we can convert integers to float like this. Function float 97. Float function adds a decimal 0 to the end of the number.